I played in this competitive tennis league tonight, and I had a match, and it was a pretty tough match. And one thing I did when I was younger a lot was try to overhit the ball and overpower the ball. And I had some big flashy plays, but then I'd make a bunch of errors. And I think that match, it really reminded me of good trading, because tennis, and I think a lot of other sports, but especially tennis, is like trading in terms of how you approach things and what your expectations are. So my approach tonight was to take my game back about 30% across the board in terms of how hard I hit and all that kind of stuff, like the sharp angles I would go for. And instead I tried to place the ball, make the other opponent move just a little bit, hit the ball a little lighter, but use that reduced speed to hit it to their weak spots, and then play for the next shot and the next shot, and not trying to win the point with one shot. And it made a difference. I made a huge difference, and we won the match. And it got me thinking about my trading and how when I'm doing better and I'm very focused and very locked in, that's kind of how I'm doing things. I'm hitting singles and doubles, and I'm sticking to my targets. I'm not changing where I want to get out of a trade when it starts going there. A lot of times you'd be thrilled for it to go there, then it starts to go there, and all of a sudden you think it's going higher, and then it reverses and you lose the profit. And how I'm just able to kind of do things right when that starts happening, the momentum builds and you keep doing that. And then all of a sudden at some point you kind of uncork your game, and those big trades come and those big shots come, and you don't really have to try for them. They just show up. And because you've been doing the right things and your mentality's right, you're really focusing on process. And then people say process, you hear that a lot, but it's focusing on doing the right thing, and doing the right thing may mean less emotion. It may mean less concern with winning and losing, and more of a concern with playing the probabilities and doing the smart thing. And when you do that over and over again, the big stuff that we're all after kind of shows up. It just starts happening. But it doesn't happen when you're trying for it, because you overreach, and then you have to make decisions based on emotion, which means you're the stupid money. And when you're that money, the emotional money, you're trading your profit, your loss statement. You're also trading the market. You're trading your past patterns, and it becomes really difficult to succeed. It's like you're doing three things. You have three opponents instead of one, and it breaks down. So that's my message for tonight. I thought that it related well to trading.